Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to clear browsing data in Opera browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select settings in the drop down menu. In Opera settings, select this one basic option in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to this one privacy and security section. Under this, click on this one clear browsing data. Here you can select the time range from last hour to all time according to your choice and check or uncheck these one options: browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached image and files, and then clear on this click on this one clear data button. This will erase all the browsing data from your Opera browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC.